Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am in the greenhouse today, filling it up some more. I am up potting my little basil plants here and putting them into bigger paper pots. I've been using these paper pots now for a little over a month and I've been impressed with them. As long as I put enough layers on there. I will do a video later on and have the dimensions and everything on these paper pots and how well I like them or don't like them and why I don't like them or why I like them. I'll give you guys all the details in another video, but today we're going to talk about sowing basil. So I have a tray here of basil that's been under the lights in the basement for about a month, and we are going to prick out these little basils and we're going to put them in these bigger pots. Now this is a 128 cell tray. I just sow a bunch of seeds in there and then I separate them. I let the soil get a little dry. As you can see, it's just falling apart. And then I have my moist soil in my little tiny paper pots and I just add them to it. So I will take a basil off the side here very gently. Look at that root. It's kind of a nice root. I will make a little divot in there, give it a little push down, and then I will just add some more soil to the top, just like that. Push it down a little bit, and then I'll put it in a tray, which I need to go grab. So give me just a second. All right, I'm back. I have been using these 1x18s and putting these in each one of these little squares. I can fit 4 of these little paper pots, which is, what is that, 72-ish? Yeah, something like that, in a tray, which I think is going to be a perfect size for them. Let me show you. I'm going to show you this one. This one is not in a separated tray. It's just in a watering tray. Just a watering tray in here, but you can see I have about 80 plants in there. 80 to 100 plants in there. But these little pots are just like 1 layer thick. These basil have been in there maybe a month, maybe. Did I write the date on here? Oh, I did. It has not been a month. I potted these on the 8th of February. So I sowed the seed on the 8th of December, and then I uppotted these on the 8th of February. There you go. I don't normally do that. I'm so proud of myself. These are called a spicy basil, and they smell and have an amazing flavor. I really like those. That'll be the first year that I'm growing those. And then over here, I have some really large cinnamon basil. I tasted these. The reason why I've let them go so long is because I just haven't had time to mess with them, and I don't like the taste. I don't like the flavor. I will not be using those for pesto. I don't even want them in my garden to cross-pollinate with my other basils, to which I will be saving seed from for future basil plants. So that is how I up-pot basil. This is a slow-growing basil. It's Elida. I got them from Johnny Select Seed. I'm not even going to attempt to say the name of them because I know I will not get it right. So there you have it. That is my favorite basil. The spicy basil is a very good basil. I have enjoyed thoroughly. The cinnamon basil will go to the chickens and they will be completely happy. And on that note, I will bid you guys good day and you have a wonderful week. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.